Hello everyone, I hope that everyone is doing fine. I am Dr. Ansuan Matthew and I am a registered pharmacist. Today I am here to speak regarding hypertension. And today is May 17th, which is observed as the World Hypertension Day. So on this World Hypertension Day, I would like to share some information on hypertension. So what do you mean by this hypertension? Hypertension is also known as high or raised blood pressure. It is a condition in which the blood vessels have persistently raised pressure. So as we all know, blood is carried from the heart to all parts of the body in the blood vessels. Each time the heart beats, it pumps blood into the blood vessels. Blood pressure is created by the force of blood pushing against the walls of the blood vessels as it is pumped by the heart. The higher the pressure, the harder the heart has to pump. Hypertension or raised blood pressure is a serious medical condition and it can increase the risk of heart, brain, kidney and other diseases. Blood pressure is written as two numbers. The first number represents the pressure in blood vessels when the heart contracts or beats. That is the systolic pressure. The second number represents the pressure in the vessels when the heart rests between the beats, and that is the diastolic pressure. Hypertension is diagnosed when it is measured on two different days. If the systolic blood pressure reading is more than 140 mmHg and the diastolic blood pressure on both days is more than 90 mmHg. So a person is said to be hypertensive if his blood pressure value is more than 140/90 mmHg. So what are the risk factors for developing hypertension? The modifiable risk factors include unhealthy diet, that is excessive salt consumption, a diet high in saturated fat and trans fat, low intake of fruits and vegetables, decreased physical activity, consumption of tobacco and alcohol, and being overweight or obese. So these are the certain modifiable risk factors for hypertension. And the non-modifiable risk factors include family history of hypertension, age over 65 years and coexisting diseases such as diabetes or kidney disease. So what are the signs and symptoms of hypertension? Hypertension is known as the silent killer. Most people with hypertension are unaware of the problem because it may have no warning signs or symptoms. For this reason, it is essential that blood pressure is measured regularly. If symptoms occur, it can include early morning headaches, nosebleeds, irregular heart rhythm, vision changes, and buzzing in the ears. Severe hypertension can cause fatigue, nausea, vomiting, confusion, anxiety, chest pain, and muscle tremors. The only way to detect hypertension is to have a health professional measure blood pressure. Having blood pressure measured is quick and painless. Individuals can also measure their own blood pressure using automated devices. However, an evaluation by a health professional is important for assessment of risk and associated conditions. What are the complications of uncontrolled hypertension? Among other complications, hypertension can cause serious damage to the heart. Excessive pressure can harden the arteries, decreasing the flow of blood and oxygen to the heart. The elevated pressure and reduced blood flow can cause chest pain, also called as angina, heart attack, which occurs when the blood supply to the heart is blocked and the heart muscle cells die from lack of oxygen. The longer the blood flow is blocked, the greater the damage to the heart. Heart failure, which occurs when the heart cannot pump enough blood and oxygen to other vital body organs. Irregular heartbeat, which can lead to sudden death. Hypertension can also burst or block arteries that supply blood and oxygen to the brain, causing a stroke. In addition, hypertension can cause kidney damage, leading to kidney failure. So it is very important to monitor our blood pressure and also to maintain within the normal range, as uncontrolled hypertension can cause many complications. How can the burden of hypertension be reduced? Reducing hypertension prevents heart attack, stroke, and kidney damage as well as other health problems. So how can we prevent the burden of hypertension? It can be done by reducing the salt intake to less than 5 grams daily, eating more fruit and vegetables, being physically active on a regular basis, avoiding use of tobacco, reducing alcohol consumption, limiting the intake of food high in saturated fats, eliminating or reducing the trans fat in diet. It can also be managed by reducing and managing mental stress, by regularly checking blood pressure and treating the high blood pressure by use of medications, and managing other health conditions. So the theme for World Hypertension Day 2020 is measure your blood pressure, control it, live longer, with the goal of increasing high blood pressure awareness in all population around the world. So this is a brief information on hypertension. Spread awareness on hypertension or high blood pressure. Stay healthy everyone. Thank you for listening.